How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be doing a headlight lens restoration on this Mazda. As you can see, the headlight has seen better days. So there was a tint applied to this headlight at the top, and it was removed, or attempted to be removed, by using some scrapers. As you can see, that scratched the headlight up really good. You can't even see the lights on the inside. The headlight's pretty banged up. And the other side, just did this yesterday, so you can tell it looks really good, and it looked just about as bad as the other side. So we're gonna go try to make this side like that side. All right, so on the first step of this headlight, what we're gonna do is take a Dremel right here with a medium soft sanding wheel on it, and we're gonna sand away this tint, this hard plastic tint that has like crusted itself onto the headlight. You can't take sandpaper to it. I've tried taking a pressure washer to it, so I'm gonna have to sand it off with this guy. So that's our first step. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go, since all the tint's off now, we're gonna take a 180 grit sand block, and we're going to start sanding it down with spraying water. Now we're going to be going to a 400 grit sandpaper. And we're still focused on getting these little smudge marks out. So I noticed with the block I got up here, and now with the 400 we're going to get the whole headlight. So go ahead and give it a little spray. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to go up to an 800 grit sandpaper. Same process, back and forth. So we're going to start going finer in grain. So let's go ahead and do a couple spurts. Same thing. We're now going to a 1000 grain sandpaper. Let's get done. All right. And now we're going to take 2000 grit sandpaper. Let's get it. First off, we gotta clean this headlight off. All this white shit is plastic on there, so. Still see, it's pretty foggy, but once we get this 2000 grit on there, it ain't gonna be. Alright guys, so we're going to take some plastic wax right here. There we go. And we're just going to put it onto the drill. And we're going to start polishing the headlight. Alright, so we're start polishing the headlight. Nice and slow, start in the center. Alright guys, So it is done. Let me unscrew the camera real quick. So give you the headlight. So this is what it is afterwards. You can see the lights inside it. We'll start from the side. All the white plastic is from the headlight plastic rubbing off, so I'm gonna power wash that later, so don't mind that. But as you can see, I mean, we got a mirror finish. You can literally see the reflection of my hand on here. It looks really, really good for what we were able to do. Now there's still some shit up in here. Let me see if I can get it focus on my finger. Well, there's still some damage up on the headlight, and you can see there's some deformations on the headlight from where we had to take the dremel, but I mean, it looks so much better than what it used to. So, yeah, I hope this video helped. If you liked it, please give it a like. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.